Project settings. In order to review or readjust project settings, go to the ribbon, open the Navigator tab, go to the project data, and click Project. Since this is related to the project data, so the project window is appeared on the left side. Under the Scheduling tab, you may see some unchangeable fields, for example, project start, or the start of the first activity, the project finish, or the finish of the latest activity, project duration, or sum of all activities on the critical path, the number of tasks, the project date 0, or the actual start date for the project. It may coincide with the project start or a bit earlier, for example, to show some concept design phase, tendering phase, requiring other kind of documentation. And then we have data date, or this blue dashed line. This one is used for calculating percent completion and actual physical progress. Usually it's not the current calendar date, so when it's automatic, it's a current date, but you can always change it to manual in order to perform what if analysis and set a new value for the date. The next one is schedule. It defines how works will be scheduled. It may be either as soon as possible or as late as possible. For this project, let's leave it as ASAP, or as soon as possible. Then we have schedule from and schedule to. These provide the information about time boundaries you would like to use while scheduling. For this project, let's leave this once as a default. For the scheduled from type will be project start, and for the scheduled to type will be early project finish. To tell you more about these ones, the schedule from is defining the date to use when scheduling new tasks, which are constrained to as soon as possible. And the type can be adjusted as data date, or using data date for scheduling new tasks, project start, or to use project start date when scheduling new tasks, or you can select a date to use the user-defined date when scheduling new tasks, which can be set from here. For schedule to, we have options like early project finish, or to use the latest available task date for scheduling new tasks. We may use the project finish or project end date when scheduling new tasks, or we also can define an optional date from the value field. For this project, we will leave these settings as default ones.